know that whole thing of where Bob left? My microphone wasn't on. The whole thing is gone.
Was mine on?
Don't know, but my whole thing was gone, you know? I thought you said you didn't want to play.
I am. Oh, okay.
You probably were getting your period.
I know.
Tee-hee. Mine already passed.
Bro, they're usually not this bad.
It ended.
It's already passed. It's only like the 6th.
I know, because it was mine last month. It was the end. It was the last week, so it kept going this month, the first week.
Who are you?
Holly.
And are you the wolf?
None.
You're a civilian.
Civilian? Ah! Oakley, don't kill me. Stokely, don't kill me. Twins. Why is he following me? Bro, I bet Oakley's it. He's following me.
I just passed Oakley.
What's your name?
Stokely.
Oh. Bro, Gabby. Why is he following?
I'm Oakley.
Are you it?
No, I just got killed by the wolf because I was following you.
Gabby, you freaking scared me.
Did you get killed too?
Yeah. Wait, who is it? Who killed us? Was it York? Wait, who killed us?
Yes,
Yeah.
New York.
Bro, I was like, her head went.
Wait, why does York have braces? Jamie is full on fleshed.
And nice abs, man. He just went through the wall.
Whoa! Does he have secret entrances?
He's going through all the walls.
How does he do that?
He's probably so. Oh my god.
Bro.
Can we do that?
Maybe he can.
Bro. Wait.
No, it's cool. He went in as a wolf, came out as a boy.
It's a machine.
That'd be weird because he gets to go to the walls when he doesn't want to.
Yeah, and it's like really stupid. And annoying. Imagine if you just fell through the stairs trying to go up. See how annoying it is? Like, bro, watch where you're going. I really want to kiss you.
Damn, he just killed him through the wall.
Wait.
Really?
What? Ow. Ow.
Is your mic on?
Yes. Are you done yet? I really want to kiss you. Wait. What?
Oh my god.
Please stop.
I was picking my nose. I'm now doing this.
Why?
Because it's hurt. I'm ready.
I was so close to Hunter. What are you?
We cannot walk through the walls. I think only the wolf can.
Yeah. I'm a civilian and I'm Elton. What are you? Who are you? What are you?
Red Della.
Oh,
Redemption.
wait, really?
Leonardo.
Oh, I see you. Hey, girlie. Ah.
I can't get up the stairs.
Because I'm in your way, maybe?
Rufus.
Why do I feel like Rufus is it?
No, literally, let me walk.
Rufus is it!
You saw him turn?
Yep. He's right over there, fam.
Staying away from him.
We have to hide in this room so we can go get the thing.
Go get what thing?
The crossbow
What crossbow?
over there.
What?
He's, whatever it's called it. Oh, hell no. Right? Should I distract him?
Yes.
Come here, little boy. He's coming. Go, 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 Gabby. Ah! He killed me! Run! Damn it. I didn't see him behind me. Damn it. He's going back there. Hey, Oakley. You see my body over there?
Yeah.
Like, my hair was on fleek, bro. Like, it was straight up. You just moved me. Go.
I got it.
Where is he? And you died. Oh, no, you didn't. Go, 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 Gabby, go, go, go.
Killed him.
Yes. Go, girl. Go, girl.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Go
Yeah,
us. Go
yeah,
us.
yeah,
Go
yeah,
us.
yeah,
Go
yeah.
us. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Shut up.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Shut up.
I need chocolate.
Chocolate day.
Oh, I want to go get some dark chocolate cookies. That sounds so good right now. But
I want white chocolate. I was so close to a freaking wolf.
I'm Hunter.
You are?
Yeah, my name is Hunter.
Please say you're joking.
No.
I'm
Hunter.
I'm Fern.
I'm actually the Hunter.
Are you the hunter or is
I'm
your name
Leonardo.
Hunter? Okay, I'm Fern and I'm civilian.
He just walked through the wall. He almost killed me. Did you?
What is his name?
I don't know. He's in wolf form. Frick, I really need to kill him.
Leonardo, hi. Hey, you do be cute though. I think Primrose is it.
No, it's Oakley. I saw him transform. His hair is all gray.
Hey, freaking Leonardo.
He went into the stairs. He's right there.
You do be cute though.
Crap, I swear to God, if he comes up here without me knowing.
I'll guard the stairs and tell you.
I think he went outside.
I really want to kiss ya. Wait.
Where did he go?
Why does this Primrose?
I want to go upstairs. On the roof.
Hey, Leila. Yeah. I really like hanging out. This way. Really like. Gabby, other way. Where I am. Fern. Gabby. Oh, wait, actually, it might be that way. Oh, wait, that's the. Okay. I really want to kiss ya. Wait. Really. I found a teddy bear, Gabby.
Who's teddy bear? Oh.
I'm dead. And I'm about to be in a minute.
Where is he?
I don't know. Actually, I'm with you. I'm Fern.
Where is he?
I have no clue, actually. Like, no. 0%. But you know, he must be clean. No, Oakley.
He's coming upstairs. I saw him. Alright. I need to shoot him. He's right there. He's right there.
Oh.
Got him. No, I didn't.
Killed him.
I
I mean,
thought-
you died.
I thought I got him.
Yeah, same. I didn't see him, bro. My
So I
heart.
shot him and then I died, so I thought he died, but it was me. Crap.
Bro.
Oh, my belly, I'm pregnant.
Well, before my video gets too long, that is it. Bye-bye. Say bye, Gabby.
Bye.
She is current. Oh!
Oh, it hurts when I laugh.
She's currently on her period.
Pregnant. Oh, ow. I think I'm pregnant, bro.
Oh!
Ow, dude, my leg. Get off my leg.
Bro.
I'm playing again.
Oh, that hurts so bad. Bye, guys. Oh! Make sure you subscribe.
Okay, anyway.
Love you guys. Goodbye.